I couldn't help myself. I had to do it again.
You make me all blind with your civil rights.
Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Chris. This is Dirty Trucker 08. And I did it again. I bought another project.
You cover us in shame and I take the blame. Living by the rules to which.
And I realized this is like 4 projects down the line. But I wanted you guys to see what I got. See what you think about it. So what we've got here is a 1974 Ford F100. It's a V8 automatic truck. I don't even know which V8 it is. As of right now, it does nothing. I had to drag it home. Supposedly, if you put a battery in it, it'll fire right up and drive with a few leaking things here and there. Whether that's true or not will remain to be seen. Now, we're not working on this today. I just wanted to take a minute, show you guys what I got. Let's take a look around it.
Holy Mary sings songs in the wet rain. Walking ahead. Now every new day's a new firearm to my teeth. Call me a liar. Building as you rip. Someone show me someone living a desire.
And if any of you out there can tell me how to decide which V8 engine this is, that would be greatly appreciated. I don't know enough about Fords to know what I'm looking at. Anyway, that's the Ford. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I have got to go get some work done on the Deedle. I will see you next time. Thanks for hanging out.